Good morning, my dear students. This is Mr. V.S. Rao, Senior Biofaculty from Diamond Group of Institutions, Bidar branch. Once again, welcome to Diamond Group of Institutions online classes. In the previous class, I explained very clear. The topic name is permanent contraceptive methods, vasectomy and tubectomy, and finally I concluded my topic with MTPs, medical termination of pregnancy. That's the previous class. Now today I would like to explain one interesting topic. The topic name is STDs. The full form of STDs are sexually transmitted diseases. The full form of STDs are sexually transmitted diseases. First of all, I want to write the meaning of STD. What is meant by STD? Now I will look here, looking at the definition for STD. The diseases which are transmitted by unprotected sexual intercourse sexual intercourse is called STD. STD diseases, otherwise we are calling either STD or venereal diseases. Venereal diseases. Otherwise we are calling RTI. The meaning for or the abbreviation for RTI is reproductive tract infections. Now have a look here. Today our topic is STDs. The full form of STD is sexually transmitted diseases. The correct definition for STDs are the diseases which are transmitted by unprotected sexual intercourse is called as STD. STD का मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि sexually transmitted diseases. I would like to give you one fine and best example here. Some of the diseases are transmitting by bacteria. Some of the diseases are transmitting by virus. Some of the diseases are transmitting by fungi or fungus. And some of the diseases are transmitting by contaminated food material and contaminated drinking water. But some of these special diseases are present there whenever the human beings are participating illegal sexual contact with some unknown people. At that time there is a chance to get that one kind of the severe, deadly and dangerous diseases. Such kind of the diseases are called as STDs. That means what? Whenever a person is participating sexual activity with unknown people, illegal sexual activity finally leads to STDs are sexually transmitted diseases. So the basic reason behind of STDs are participation in illegal sexual activity. Unprotected means I already mentioned very clear. For the purpose of the safe sex, many of the human beings are using so many devices. These devices are condom, Nirod, diaphragms, cervical caps, etc., etc. These are all the protective ways for the purpose of to protect ourselves by STDs. But somebody is not doing like that. Somebody is going to doing sex normally. Normally means without taking any protective things. If they are going to participating in the sexual activity directly, such kind of the people are going to be affected by STDs. So the basic reason behind of STDs are illegal sexual activities without any protection that can lead to STDs. So the definition for STDs are the diseases which are transmitted by unprotected sexual intercourse. Unprotected sexual intercourse. Sexual intercourse का मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि sexual activity. Yes, finally that can leads to STD. That's what we are going to call it STD. Generally, STDs otherwise is called as venereal diseases. Otherwise, STDs are called as RTI. STDs को दूसरा नाम भी है. ये नाम क्या बोल सकता है कि venereal diseases बोल सकता है. venereal diseases नहीं बोल सकता तो और दूसरा नाम भी है RTI. RTI का डेफिनेशन क्या बोल सकता है? Reproductive tract infections. Reproductive tract infection means whatever it may be, either it may be male or female, the reproductive parts are present there in their body. These reproductive parts are strongly affected by some of the viruses or some of the bacteria or some of the protozoan parasites. Such kind of diseases are called as RTI. Whenever a person is affected by RTI, their reproductive systems and their reproductive parts are going to be damaging very severely. That can lead to sometimes death also. The final best example for that one is AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Yes, that is the definition of STD. STDs otherwise is called as venereal diseases. Otherwise, we are going to call it reproductive tract infections. Behind of STDs, what it was present there actually? Behind of STDs, some of the microorganisms are causing. The causative agents for STDs are number 1, bacteria. Number 2, virus. And number 3, protozoan parasites. Protozoan parasites. एक व्यक्ति को एसटीडी आ गया, उसका पीछे कारण क्या हो सकता है? एक बैक्टीरिया हो सकता है, नहीं तो एक वायरस हो सकता है, नहीं तो एक प्रोटोजोन पैरासाइट भी हो सकता है. Now in this class I would like to explain the causative agents of different types of the STDs, which are causing by bacteria, which are causing by virus, and which are causing by protozoan parasites. In the board examination point of view, here some of the most important questions are present there. Define the term STD or elaborate the term STD. STD means sexually transmitted diseases. Elaboration. Definition. They are asking for 1 mark in the board exam. The diseases which are transmitted by unprotected sexual intercourses is called as STD. STDs otherwise is called as venereal diseases. Otherwise we are calling here RTI. In the board examination point of view, elaborate RTI. They may be asking here, if they are asking elaborate RTI, reproductive tract infections. Reproductive tract infections. Right. Now, I would like to explain what are the bacterial STDs, what are the viral STDs, and what are the protozoan STDs. Now, come to the point here. Now, looking at STDs by bacteria, that means bacterial diseases. Number 1 is syphilis. Number 2 is gonorrhea. Number 3 is chlamydiasis. These three diseases are caused by bacterial diseases only. Bacteria here also bacteria. Next one. Number 2. STDs by virus. Looking at STDs by virus is number 1. AIDS. And number 2 is goes to in favor of hepatitis. Number 3 is goes in favor of genital warts. And number 4 is goes in favor of genital herpes. And lastly, I would like to explain STDs by protozoan parasite. Only one disease is there in our syllabus, trichomoniasis. Yes. Now have a look here. Looking at the STDs, the causative agents are number 1 bacterial STDs, number 1. And number 2, the causative agents of STD, some of the STD diseases behind of that one, viruses are present there, number 2. And number 3, behind of some of the STDs, some of the protozoan parasites is also present there, right? Now, AIDS is causing by virus. Hepatitis is also causing by virus. Genital warts is causing by virus. Genital herpes is also causing by virus. Trichomoniasis is also causing by protozoan parasite. Now, have a look here. I would like to explain very clear the causative agents of bacterial diseases, STD bacterial diseases. Treponema, Calladium, this is the causative agent behind of syphilis. Conelia, Nosema, Gonorrhea, Chlamydiasis, this is also bacteria. Chlamydia, Trichomatis. And looking at STDs by virus, AIDS. First of all, I would like to explain what is meant by AIDS. Otherwise, I want to give you the full form of the AIDS. The full form of the AIDS seems to be like this: acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. This is the full form of AIDS. इधर आप क्लियरली देख सकता है, A is representing that acquired, I is representing that immuno, D is representing that deficiency, S is representing that syndrome. All together 4 letters, it is going to make up AIDS. Generally, AIDS is caused by HIV virus. V means virus only. The full form of HIV is human immuno deficiency virus. Right. Next, hepatitis. Hepatitis is a virus causing by hepatitis A virus and hepatitis hepatitis A virus, hepatitis B virus. Genital warts. Genital warts is caused by virus human papilloma virus. Papilloma virus. Genital herpes is caused by one virus, human simplex virus. Herpes simplex virus. Last one, trichomoniasis is a protozoan parasite disease. Trichomonia vaginalis. Right. Now have a look here. I made it very clear different types of the STDs. I already mentioned very clear. The definition for STDs are the diseases which are transmitted by unprotected sexual intercourses from one person to another person or from infected person to healthy person is called as STD diseases. Behind of STD diseases, 3 different types of the causative agents are present there. Number 1, most likely bacteria. Number 2, virus. Number 3, protozoans. I want to tell you one general thing here. Most of the people, those are present in rural areas, otherwise in villages, especially in the form of illiterates, they does not have any awareness on the basis of STDs. Whatever the virus, bacteria or protozoans causative agents behind of STDs, once they get infection into our body, permanent solution is not present there. We are going to approaching doctor, doctors are going to giving antibiotics, that much only. Until we are going to using the antibiotics, the symptoms of that particular disease is going to be stopped down. When we are going to stop down the using of antibiotics once again, the symptoms can be expressing or exposing from our body. So prevention is better than cure. So behind of STDs, bacteria are present there, viruses are present there, protozoans are present there. Now have a look here, I separated very clear. 3 diseases are belongs to bacterial diseases. Especially number 1, syphilis is a bacterial STD. Number 2, gonorrhea is a bacterial STD. Number 3, chlamydiasis is a bacterial STD. Syphilis causative agent name is ट्रिपनोमा पैलाडियम। सिफिलिस का पीछे एक बैक्टीरिया है, बैक्टीरिया का नाम क्या बोल सकता है कि ट्रिपनोमा पैलाडियम बोल सकता है, राइट। नंबर 2, गोनीरिया इज ए बैक्टीरियल STD. Behind of gonorrhea, the bacteria name is Nosema gonorrhea. गोनीरिया व्याधि का पीछे एक बैक्टीरिया होता है, वो बैक्टीरिया का नाम क्या बोल सकता है कि Nosema gonorrhea, right? And last bacterial disease which is given in our syllabus, chlamydiasis. Chlamydiasis is caused by one bacterial agent or one bacteria. The bacteria name is Chlamydia trichomatis. Chlamydia trichomatis. These three are bacterial diseases. These three STDs are bacterial diseases. The diseases which are caused by bacteria is called as bacterial diseases. ये तीनों को मिलकर हम क्या बोल सकता है कि bacterial diseases, bacterial STDs, right? Next, some of the viruses are very deadly and dangerous. Nowadays, corona pandemic is seriously going on. Coronavirus especially damaging completely the lungs. But here, the viruses which are strongly in the form of STDs, they are affecting our reproductive system and completely they are going to damaging our reproductive tracts and our reproductive parts and our reproductive systems. Especially in our syllabus, it was given very clearly 4 different types of the STDs which are caused by virus. Number 1, AIDS. The full form of the AIDS we know very clear: acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. AIDS is caused by one virus. The virus name is called HIV. The full form of the HIV is human immunodeficiency virus. Human immunodeficiency virus. The specialty of HIV virus is whenever HIV is infecting into one person's body, this HIV first of all attacking CD4 cells. Next, T lymphocytes. Next, B lymphocytes. हमारा शरीर के अंदर एक बार HIV वायरस अंदर गया, चलने के बाद क्या हो सकता है, हमारा शरीर के अंदर इम्यूनिटी पावर, व्याधि निरोधकता शक्ति को कारण क्या हो सकता है कि 4 अलग अलग परिणाम हो सकता है। पहली वाला को क्या बोल सकता है कि CD4 सेल्स बोलता है, दूसरी वाला को क्या बोल सकता है कि T lymphocytes बोल सकता है, तीसरी वाला को क्या बोल सकता है कि B lymphocytes बोल सकता है। ये तीनों को HIV वायरस मार डालता है। बाद में the total human beings immunity power or resistance power is going to become completely zero as early as possible. The person is very closer to death. That's what. That is the impact of HIV, right? And second one is goes in favor of hepatitis. Now have a look here. Hepatitis is also caused by virus. 2 different types of the viruses are present there. Hepatitis virus A, hepatitis virus B. These 2 are attacking on the basis of liver and completely they are going to damaging the liver. Whenever the liver is damaging by either virus or bacteria or any other bad habits such as smoking and drinking alcohol, etc., that can leads to other diseases also, right? So hepatitis A and hepatitis B viruses are strongly affecting on the basis of liver and its functions. Finally, that can lead to jaundice also, right? And next one, genital warts. Behind of genital warts, one virus is present there. The name of the virus is human papilloma virus. genital warts का पीछे एक वायरस है। ये वायरस का नाम क्या बोल सकता है कि human papilloma virus. Right after that one, the next one is genital herpes. बाद में next disease क्या हो सकता है कि genital herpes बोल सकता है। Behind of genital herpes, herpes simplex virus. ये वायरस का नाम क्या बोल सकता है कि herpes simplex virus. And lastly, protozoan STDs. So we have here looking at some of the protozoans are present there. These protozoans are amoeba, euglena, and paramecium. These unicellular protozoans are not harmful to the mankind, but some of the protozoans are there, especially Plasmodium. Regarding to Plasmodium, the human beings are able to get malaria fever disease there, but here regarding to STD, one protozoan parasite is there. The name of the protozoan parasite is Trichomoniasis. This is name is Trichomoniasis. Behind of Trichomoniasis, the protozoan parasite is present there. Trichomonia vaginalis. Trichomonia vaginalis. Yes, these are all the different types of the STDs which it was given very clear in our syllabus. Right. Have a look here once again. Syphilis is caused by Trypanosoma palladium. Gonorrhea is caused by Nosema gonorrhea. Chlamydiasis is caused by Chlamydia trachomatis. Next, viral STDs. AIDS is caused by human immunodeficiency virus or HIV. Hepatitis is caused by hepatitis A virus and hepatitis B virus. If the hepatitis A and hepatitis B viruses are very severe in our liver, that can lead to jaundice also. Hepatitis का यदि एक बार एक मानव को आ गया, पूरा से पूरा लिवर क्या होता है कि डैमेज होता है. एक बार लिवर के अंदर सेल्स है ना, हेपाटिक सेल्स बोलता है. ये सेल्स डैमेज हो गया, अल्टीमेटली हमको दूसरा व्याधि भी आता है. वो व्याधि का नाम क्या बोल सकता है कि जांडिस बोल सकता है. राइट. जेंटल वॉट्स इज caused by human papilloma virus. Genital herpes is caused by herpes simplex virus. Lastly, protozoan STD, protozoan parasite. Behind of this STD, one protozoan parasite is present there. What is the name of disease? STD disease Trichomoniasis. Disease का नाम क्या बोल सकता है कि Trichomoniasis. Trichomoniasis, the causative agent is Trichomonia vaginalis. Trichomonia vaginalis. I made it very clear. Bacterial diseases are 3, viral STDs are 4, and only one protozoan parasite STD is 1. In the board examination point of view, this one is very, very important. Regularly they are asking, write the following diseases STDs causative agents. हमको डिसीज नाम देता है, उसका ऑपोजिट हम क्या लिखना है कि वो व्याधि कारक जीवी को नाम को लिखना है. बैक्टीरिया है, वायरस है, नहीं तो कोई प्रोटोजोन पैरासाइट लिखना है. 5 मार्क को देता है, एक को 1 मार्क आता है हमको. ऐसे नहीं किया क्वेश्चन. इधर व्याधि कारक एजेंट का नाम देता है. दे आर गोइंग टू गिविंग द कैजुअलिटी एजेंट and we have to write it down. Disease according to this causative agent, either bacteria, virus or whatever it may be, the microorganism, what type of the disease we are able to get, we are supposed to write like that only. So every year on the basis of this simple tabular form, maximum 5 marks are present there. 1 mark question they might have asked you, 2 mark question they may be asked you, 3 mark question they may be asked you. I made it very clear. If it is possible, make it copy, and you have to make like this as it is without any mistakes, right? And finally, I would like to explain what are the symptoms of STDs. Last में मैं आपको STD आ गया एक व्यक्ति को STD आने के बाद हमारा शरीर से कैसे वाला लक्षण बाहर निकलता है. सिम्टम्स ऑफ एसटीडी. सिम्टम्स ऑफ एसटीडी. सिम्टम्स का मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि लक्षण बोल सकता है. एक व्याधि आ गया, व्याधि के बारे में लक्षण बाहर निकलता है. नंबर 1 is goes to itching on reproductive parts and areas. Number 1. Number 2, painful urination. Number 1 is goes to itching on reproductive parts and areas, and number 2 is goes in favor of painful urination. And discharges releasing from genital organs. Genital organs means especially I can write like this. Genital organs means in male penis, in female vagina. इधर देखिए मैं सब हेडिंग क्या लिखा, सिम्टम्स ऑफ एसटीडी। एक व्यक्ति को सेक्स से संबंधित व्याधि आ गया, उसका लक्षण कैसे बाहर निकलता है शरीर से। सिम्टम्स उसका मतलब क्या बोल सकता है कि लक्षण बोल सकता है। Whenever a persons are going to get the STD diseases, three important symptoms we can find out. Number one, itching on reproductive parts and reproductive areas. Itching means I cannot translate this word into Hindi. Itching means we are going to do like this. Such kind of the phenomenon is called as itching. If I am going to do like this, this process is called as itching. So where exactly the reproductive parts are present there, reproductive areas are present there, around the testicles and around the penis, inside the vagina, outside the vagina, in that particular pelvic region, pelvic area, lots of itching will be present there. Number one. And number two is goes in favor of like this. Number two is painful urination. Whenever we are going to pass in urine, one person is consisting or possessing or having the STD. When they are going to pass in the urine through to urethra or through penis, they are feeling that very hot. That is called as painful urination. Urine release करने के समय में बहुत hot feel हो सकता है. And lastly, discharges releasing from genital organs by penis in male, in female by vagina. एक बार एक व्यक्ति को एसटीडी आ गया, पेनिस से थोड़ा ड्रॉप पदार्थ लाइट येलो कलर नहीं तो लाइट व्हाइट कलर पस बाहर निकलता है कंटिन्यूअसली around the clock and around the year. They are going to discharging or they are going to releasing some kind of the liquids which are in the form of light yellow color or white color or pink color. Yes, these are all the basic common symptoms of all type of the STDs. So looking at the symptoms of STDs, itching on reproductive parts and areas. Number two, painful urination. Number three, discharges releasing from genital organs, especially from male penis and from female vagina. Yes, that is the end of the STDs. You can go through by this tabular form perfectly, and you can go through by symptoms of STD. You have to practice much and more. Practice makes man's perfect. If you are going to practicing all these things, you are able to get lots of knowledge in this subject. If you are not able to practice, it's not possible to get all these things into your brain. So you have to sit simply at your home, and you can go through by practice, and you can go through by my lesson in YouTube once again and once again. If do you have any doubts, you can post the doubts, add a comment. One column is there in the YouTube especially. You can make it very clear your doubts. You can ask me any doubt and any question in the very next class. I would like to explain your doubts very clear. Okay, I would like to conclude my lesson. Till then, goodbye. Take care of. Thank you so much.